Here come the factory stock trophy dash on the racetrack right now. Top 4 take the green flag. These things are always fun to watch. In this one, number 20, the J27, Jeremiah Tix. He's your leader right now into turn number 3 and 4. Battle for the second spot. That is Stacy Chirocco. And Jeffrey.
That would be Tom Gray. Around and around again. 2 cars go around. Hey, if you're going to do it,
do it in fashion. Chirico, I apologize. I said that name right.
That 75 machine, Tom Gray has taken the lead.
In a big way.
Now in the second spot, the 86 of Jeremy Orozco. The 27 now in third, Jeremiah Tix. And rounding out the field, that 29 of Stacy, how do you say it?
Chirico, I believe.
It just says Chirco on our
so maybe I was
on our info.
Maybe I was putting an I in the middle of it all. But either way,
well, that was fun.
I like the pink and black.
A double. It's not often you see one car take out 2 cars and all of a sudden be like, that's how I race NASCAR Heat 2.
Of course. Checkered flag.
Checkered flag for the 75. Although I will say, there we go, Tom Gray. You're victor. What a race.
That was a factory stock race, in my opinion.
Factory stock main event. Getting ready to roll here at Havasu 95. Green flag is in the air, and this is going to hurt. Oh. Trouble on the start the second time in a row. The last 2 main events we've seen an issue happen just like this. We're coming to the green. Red flag is out. That is the number 17 machine of Aubrey Porter sitting up against the wall. We happen to know the Porter family very well. Certainly hope that she is okay. I see her moving in there. So at this point, you hope the car's okay. Things were just getting going. It seems like that outside line is a bit of a treacherous one here tonight. Kind of moved out of the way, I guess, to see if Aubrey's able to get her car rolling. There it goes. Don't wreck again, Aubrey. All right, well, let's go through the starting lineup here. We have the number 99 machine of Chris Blackwell, and that orange machine. The 29X of Stacy Chirocco. Starting third in this one, the 75 machine you see there, driver Tom Gray. And then I think for the second time, it was our 4th place starter who had the issue. Left rears a little bit, so hopefully Aubrey's able to keep that going. Pulls it into the pits. Also on track as they go to work cleaning up the track, we have the number 24 machine, who happens to be right there. That is Matt Cayley. The 321 of Jeff Preer. The J27 machine, I like the look of this car, of Jeremiah Tix. And the 87, there you are, the 87 machine of Jeremy Orozco. Well, we're going to clean this one up and get it back for a restart. The lights are out. We're taking a look over at the number 17 machine, Aubrey Porter, right now fixing up her car. Are they going to be able to get that car back on track? It's not going to be before the race resumes here, or I should say starts for the first time, as we go green flag. Trying this one again. Blackwell jumps to the early lead. Turco battling on the outside. A bit of a body slam there. Greer in that 321 machine here for business. Looking for maybe to challenge for the lead here early on. Lap number 1 on the board. Kaylee looking to the inside. And in a turn, I love this shot we got here for this reason right here. Watch these cars pour into turn number 3 and fight it through all the way out of turn number 4. Kaylee up into that 3rd position. Greer chasing down Blackwell. We might have a battle coming up here. Bruin, Blackwell running a little bit higher entry. 320 Prier just dives it into turn number 3. Kind of a more conservative line there by your leader. But when you are the leader, you also have that luxury. Prier might be just seeing, where can I get around this 99 machine? Top 3, Blackwell, Prier, and Kaylee. Battle for the 4th spot. As Turco is working on holding off Gray in the 75 machine. We saw Gray pile drive through the 2 cars in front of him earlier, so that 75 machine has proven, do not get in my way. See if that comes to fruition here as well. Up front, it's still Blackwell. Prier still trying to find a way around. Lap number 7, now 8 on the board.
Guess it's a good thing I left my phone up here, huh?
It worked out.
I honestly, can I be honest for you?
Yeah.
With you for a second?
Do.
I had no idea these cars are racing. And I was
really? Are they that quiet?
Oh yeah, I was just in the pits about 50 yards away from the racetrack.
Well, you missed a red flag on lap number 0.
Really?
As we once again had an issue coming out of turn 4 to the green. And Aubrey Porter spun the tires and found herself driver's side into the wall.
Ooh, I gotta say, I was happy to see that she made it onto the track, and the reason being is because when I was putting cameras on race cars for the late model second part on this playlist, I was seeing that they were thrashing to get her car onto the racetrack, and then I guess I just found out I never got to see her race 1 lap tonight.
They might have been thrashing to get her back on the racetrack, depending on when you saw her.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, she's not on the track now, and if the driver's door took the impact, that door looked pretty clean to me.
The car looked good for what it did.
Oh, okay. Well, because it's a factory stock, that's why.
Oh, yeah. Oh, battle for second. These are your top 3 we're looking at.
Oh, under a blanket, Jeffrey. I remember this from the last time we were out here.
Yeah, Blackwell right now your leader, the 321 of Prier. In second, and Kaylee looking to the inside in the 24 machine, trying to take away that second spot. Roscoe in the 86 going to go down a lap here.
Blackwell to the inside of Orozco.
Oh, the 24 might have caught the wall coming out of the turn. Look at the momentum.
Yeah, I was going to say the 24 of Matt Colley.
Is it Colley?
Kaylee Colley. How did you pronounce it?
I said Kaylee.
Well, we're gonna go with Kaylee then. Kaylee looking to the outside in the middle of a 3 wide with lap traffic.
Wagons, man.
Traffic Orozco, yeah.
I think we're gonna see the bumper come into play here. Tommy, do we have a total lap count for this race?
This will be a 20 lapper, so we have 5 to go. As Blackwell right now in the lead, the number 99 machine has his hands full of the 321 of Jeff Prier.
I'm seeing that now. Is it Prier? Was I saying that name wrong too?
I'm
Folks,
just guessing.
here,
How did you pronounce
It's
it?
Prier, but I'm open. I am very open to pronouncing names.
I have no idea. I just see Prieur. That U is messing me up big time.
Well, there's a big battle going on in front of your leaders.
Yeah, they're going to be the next group to go a lap down if this race.
I bet you pronounce the 75's name the same way I do.
75 of Gra.
Okay, go.
No, I'm kidding. Tom Gray. You can't mess that one up. First or last name. Tom Gray has an interesting lifestyle. He is a multi-millionaire. He's been featured in 2 movies. Or no, I'm thinking of 50 Shades of Grey. That's 75 Shades of White right there. That's Tom Gray to the inside of the number 29 of Stacy Chirico.
This is going to get interesting.
Or Chirico. I keep adding an I. And your lap traffic is there right in front of your leaders as they're coming to the white flag, potentially checkered flag. The race is over. Blackwell does not have to worry as he will grab the checkered flag, but the battle still continues here. Chris Klein, what do you see? What do you see of this battle? This is the end right here.
It's impressive.
Battle for lap. He's speechless.
Got him.
He's speechless.
Oh no, the black car got him.
And the 29 will take it. Wow, what a race. Stacy Chirico will beat.
They're racing for $1 million.
You could tell. I mean, these are $1 million cars.
Digging like Dale Jr.
Exactly.
Dead last.
Exactly. Well, congratulations to the 99 of Blackwell. Chris Blackwell bringing home the 21-lap main event win here tonight.
21.